So over here, you can see that I have this particular page of Windows 10. And let's say what I want to do is I want to add it onto my favorites so that I can easily access it in the future. So if you want to add a particular page to favorites, then you can go around and click on the star button right here, and then what happens is that it says favorite added, and you can go around and rename this out to whatever you like right here, just like this. You can also go around onto more right here, and then you can choose where you want to save it. So let's say, for example, I will save it on the favorites bar itself, and I'm just going to keep it as it is. URL is this, so you can go around and save it. Let's say I'm going to go around over here and save this page as well. In that case, you can go around and follow the same step, click on more, and let's say this time I want to create a new folder. So under the favorite bar, I'm going to go around and rename this out to, let's say, for example, Tutor Tube Faves right here, just like this. And once I do that, I can choose this folder instead and save it inside over there as well. And that is how you can add favorites inside of Microsoft Edge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.